Are you all happy people? Hope you guys doing great. Thank you very much for all the support. I really appreciate it. Alright, today I'm here to cook vegetable dum biryani. So I know I did chicken biryani. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do vegetable dum biryani at home. Okay? Stay tuned guys. Thank you. Alright guys, let's start cooking. We're gonna start with rice prep first. Got all my spices there, the whole spices. And then I'm gonna add a dollop of butter. Just wait until the butter melts. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna saute the whole spices. Okay, the whole process, what I'm doing here is, I'm gonna flavor the rice with all the spices. There you go. Just wait until can see the boiling. Just need to saute. There you go. The butter is boiling now, and then now it's ready to get some water in it. So the water portion is as well, like 1 cup of basmati rice, I'm using 1.5 cup of water. So I want to make the rice fluffy. Biryani, the rice need to be very fluffy. Close it. Wait until it boils. You need to make sure guys the water boils so that the spices are absorbed in the water and it gives the rice the flavor. Add a salt as per your taste, and then rice can go in. Give it a quick mix, close it and cook it for 15 minutes. And then rice should be ready. There you go. There you go guys. Nice and fluffy rice. So what we're gonna do is, it's not sticking to the spoon. That's what we need to check. We're gonna keep it aside now. I've got my vegetables. Carrots, beans and potatoes. Ginger garlic paste going in. Thick yogurt. So we're gonna marinate the vegetables like the way we marinate any meat for any biryani. Green chilies and some curry leaves. Sliced red onions. And the dry spices, garam masala. Turmeric, red chili powder, some coriander powder, and some mint leaves. Salt as per your taste. Give it a nice mix. Gonna add a bit of a splash of oil in order to bind all the ingredients. There you go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a quick mix and rest the vegetables for 5 to 10 minutes before we start cooking. Okay. Got my wok ready. Adding my butter in. You can add butter or you can also use olive oil, but I love butter. And preferred is ghee. I'm gonna add the veggies. So what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna cook the vegetables not through, like not 100%. We're just gonna cook them for 5 to 10 minutes. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna simmer the heat, put a simmering tray, and then we're gonna layer the rice. We're gonna cover the lid and then cook it for 5 minutes. There you go. As you can see, the water is oozing out from the veggies and from the yogurt. So make sure that you keep checking that it doesn't get burned, and you cook in a medium flame. gonna put my simmering plate. There you go. And we're gonna bring the rice and start layering. Be very gentle, guys. So while you're layering the rice on the top, you shouldn't be pressing or shouldn't be harsh. Be very gentle. As you can see, I'm just spreading the rice evenly across. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some chopped coriander or parsley and some fried onions. One layer done, and I'm gonna use the rest of the rice and make one more layer on the top. That's it. And then you can garnish again with some chopped coriander and some fried onions. There you go. Here comes the best part now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the king of spices, saffron. There you go. Pinch of saffron in lukewarm milk. Just give it a quick mix, and as you can see, the milk changes color. And then we're gonna spread it on the top before we close it with a silver foil and give it a nice steam. This is what brings the color for biryani, guys. Whenever you see in the restaurants or anywhere, there's an yellowish color, is saffron. That's it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it with the silver foil and make sure there is no escape for the steam. You need to ensure that you close it on all the sides thoroughly so the steam doesn't get escaped. You want all the flavors to be inside. That's what we're gonna do, and that is what done. There you go, guys. 10 minutes steaming and it should be ready. Just wait for it. There you go, guys. Yummy vegetable dum biryani ready to serve. Nice and fluffy, cooked through. Oh wow. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.